print bed because the surface area touching the bed is too small. We're going to show you the effects of this by drawing two cone shapes in Tinkercad. One with a very small point and the other with a larger point, meaning it will have more surface area touching the print bed. Let's rotate to the bottom so you can get a better look at this. The first print is the cone with a small surface area touching the print bed. With such a small surface area touching the bed, it's just a matter of time before the print topples over. In the next print, the cone has enough surface area touching the print bed for a successful print. We advise that you consider bed adhesion together with orientation so you have enough surface area touching the print bed. Let's take a look at this spinning top model again. If printed in this orientation, there would be too little surface area in contact with the print bed. If rotated 180 degrees, the surface area may be sufficient. To be extra sure, you could increase the surface area, which would give better print bed adhesion.